Fox 10 extensively reported on the sober living crisis and scandal that Arizona leaders say cost the state $2.5 billion, preying on vulnerable people struggling with addiction. That crisis led to a massive crackdown on Medicaid fraud in 2023.
New tonight, a convicted felon and ex-doctor is linked to a behavioral health provider suspended by the state's Medicaid agency. Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum digs deeper into a man known as Dr. Ed.
Achievers Dynamic Systems International used to be an outpatient treatment center licensed by the state as a behavioral health facility until April of this year. It was located at this business plaza in North Phoenix on Cave Creek Road. Back in July, the Arizona Healthcare Cost Containment System, or AHCCCS, suspended payments to Achievers due to credible allegations of fraud. Fox 10 obtained the notice of suspension, accusing Achievers of excessive billing, suspicious billing patterns, and failing to comply with AHCCCS policy, including incomplete, inconsistent, unsigned, and undated patient assessments. But what also stands out in this suspension? The employment of Edward Saye. Officials say Saye is not licensed as a medical doctor, but during a site visit by the AHCCCS team in September 2023, Saye introduced himself as Dr. Ed.
Hello. Hi, is Edward here?
We tried to get Edward Saye's side of the story at his home. AHCCCS officials say he's excluded from participating in Medicaid and Medicare due to his criminal history of fraud. The Arizona Attorney General and the DEA investigated Saye and his practice, Arizona Family Medicine, for more than 2 years. The doctor arrested in 2014. By 2015, Saye pled guilty to multiple felony charges, including fraudulent schemes, conspiracy, and administration of a dangerous drug or a narcotic drug. Saye billed access for fake medical services, had some patients share medications with him, and prescribed pills to drug dealers in exchange for cocaine, prostitutes, and alcohol. Not only did he bill access, he targeted private insurance companies as well. A Maricopa County judge sentenced Saye to 4 years in prison plus 5 years of probation. He was ordered to surrender his medical license.
I'm here to get your side of things.
A relative of Saye put him on the phone. He tells me he was only a clinic administrator for Achievers, working there from May to November 2023. But the AHCCCS suspension letter says staff and members at Achievers called him Dr. Ed. He says his intention was to help people, but did not want to be interviewed on camera.
First of all, ask a lot of questions.
Reva Stewart advocates for Native Americans who have been victimized by the sober living scandal and now displaced by shutdown facilities and group homes. During the pandemic, at the height of the scam, fraudsters enrolled AHCCCS members into AIHP, whether they were tribal members or not, promising treatment to build a state.
This is still happening. These people will tell you a lie to get you in there, regardless if you're not on the American Indian Health Plan anymore.
A month after AHCCCS spoke to Edward Saye, the Department of Health inspected Achievers in October 2023. DHS issued 9 citations, including a violation for failing to oversee 4 behavioral health technicians at least once every 2 weeks, officials calling it a deficient practice posing a potential risk for staff and patients. We tried reaching the owner of Achievers Dynamic. Her phone number was disconnected.
Another Achievers facility in Glendale was suspended by AHCCCS due to allegations of fraud. Now, under federal regulation, AHCCCS must refer cases like this to the Attorney General's office. And they did in this case, but now it's on the AGO whether or not they choose to investigate this provider. I also reached out to the Arizona Medical Board about Edward Saye's run-in with AHCCCS. Remember, he doesn't have a medical license anymore. The board says they were not made aware of this until I contacted them. I'm Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum.